Part 1. Start with the stamen, twisting for short pieces together and secure them. Attach the remaining part to the flower stem. Next, we'll create the petals. Fold the pipe cleaners in half and cross them through each other. This step requires patience to evenly distribute the twisted pipe cleaners. Make 5 more petals. Use glue to fix all 6 petals around the stamen. Wrap the excess pipe cleaners at the bottom with floral tape. Pinch the tips of the petals and bend them slightly to create a more natural-looking tulip. Part 2. Fold a 15 centimeters long pipe cleaners in half and thread a longer pipe cleaner through them. Secure the end and create for petals. Bend the ends of 2 petals inward and trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Test the assembly of the 4 petals. Make minor adjustments to their shape before attaching them all to the stem. Part 3. Fold the pipe cleaners in half and cross them through each other. Gently scrape along one line to form a curve and secure it. Repeat with the remaining pipe cleaners. Slightly bend the bottom of the petals. Join the 4 petals together and adjust their shape. Apply glue on the edges of the petals and avoid glue at the top. Use pliers or fingers to gently bend the tips of petals outward. Apply some colored powder or eyeshadow to give the flower a more layered color effect.